Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have this makeup look right here. If you guys want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. The palette I'll be using today is the Arabian Nights by Beauty Pigments. I'm going in with the shade Sunset, and this is going to be my transition shade. So I'm just going to be applying it with a Morphe brush all over my crease and just blend it out. Now I'm going in with Exotic, and I'm going to be applying it on the outer V of my eye, and I'm also using a small angle brush, so I'm kind of like drawing a V, and I'm also going to be blending it in towards the center of my eye and up into my crease a little bit. To blend those shades together, I'm using a Morphe brush, and I did pick up a little bit more of Sunset just so that those two blended out perfectly. Just using this black shade from one of the ColourPop palettes, I'm going to be applying it right on top of Exotic and just blend them out together. Now going back with the same Morphe blending brush, I'm just going to blend all of them together. I had to finish the other eye and my entire face because my camera died on me. So yeah, moving on to eyeliner, I'm using the Italia Deluxe Cosmetics eyeliner, and this is in the shade Black. Now I'm going in with this NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner, and since I'm doing a double liner, I'm just going to be applying it on top, not on top, but above the black eyeliner. I just think it brings the whole look together. So yeah, I'm just going to be applying it on like so. For lashes, I'll be using these lashes I got from Amazon. I don't have the package and I don't remember the name. It's been a while since I got them. So yeah, they're very long and kind of wispy. And yeah, they look really pretty with the look I have on today. So yeah, I'm just gonna be applying them on for today. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Magic Night, and I'm just going to blend it out. And then I just applied a mascara to my lashes, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.